Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss 10 essential tips for achieving a healthy lifestyle. By maintaining good health, not only do you increase your overall happiness and well-being, but you also reduce the risk of various chronic diseases. So let's dive into these tips and start living a healthier life. 1. Eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet consists of a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Aim to consume a colorful array of foods to get all the essential nutrients your body needs. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining overall health. And increase your intake during hot weather or intense physical activity. Exercise regularly, engaging in regular physical activity, such as walking, jogging, swimming, or resistance training, is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting overall mood. 4. Get enough quality sleep. Prioritize getting enough sleep because it is vital for your body to recharge and repair itself. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to numerous health issues, such as obesity, heart disease, and depression. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can lead to a variety of health problems. Limit your alcohol intake to the recommended guidelines. And if you smoke, quitting now can significantly reduce your risk of health problems. 7. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can increase the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Work with a registered dietitian or use a trustworthy online calculator to determine your ideal weight. 8. Practice proper hygiene. Maintaining good hygiene, such as regular hand washing, dental care, and grooming, can help prevent infections and reduce the risk of chronic health issues. Avoid or manage high blood pressure. High blood. Follow your doctor's advice to manage your blood pressure, and consider using hypertension medications if necessary. 10. Get regular checkups. Keep an eye out for potential health issues by getting regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Early detection is key to managing and preventing health problems. By incorporating these 10 tips into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving a healthy lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key, so make these changes a permanent part of your life. Thank you for watching, and happy living.